Welcome to ColdBrew Finance's U.S. end-of-day recap on this Wednesday, November 26th, 2025. We'll cover market movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Proffitt. All major U.S. stock indexes experienced gains today. The S&P 500 index rose to 6,811.76, gaining 45.87 points. The Dow 30 index climbed to 47,427.11 with a surge of 314.65 points. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite Index increased by 189.9 points to close at 23,214.69. Market breadth indicates a positive bias for U.S. stock indexes. The S&P 500 index had 355 stocks advancing versus 139 declining. Similarly, the Dow 30 index recorded 21 advancers against 9 decliners. The Nasdaq Composite Index saw 1,894 advances and 1,129 declines, sustaining a strong positive trend. Examining total returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index weekly return is notable at 4.23%. Meanwhile, the Russell 2000 Index shows a significant weekly return of 4.92%. The S&P 400 Midcap Index returns reflect its strong ascent with a 3.46% weekly return. Leading the pack, the utilities sector closed at 454.87, gaining 1.3%. The technology sector advanced to 5,670.87, up by 1.2%, and the basic materials sector followed closely, also gaining 1.2% to end at 560.23. This portrays a strong trend within these sectors. The communication services sector dipped 0.49%, concluding at 453.95 among the day's laggards. Conversely, the real estate sector experienced a minor gain of 0.5%. Notably, the healthcare sector closed at 1,842.63 after a slight drop of 0.25%, illustrating volatility yet maintaining an upward trend. Among global markets, Brazil's iShares ETF lead with a 2.8% rise, closing at 33.47. South Korea's iShares ETF climbed 1.9% to 91.55, breaking out from a recent flat trading period. Meanwhile, Japan's iShares ETF wrapped up at 83.26, increasing by 1.6%, along with a strong trend. In terms of returns, Brazil's iShares ETF showcases a substantial 48.69% year-to-date return, exhibiting a very strong trend. South Korea's iShares ETF reflected a high year-to-date return of 79.9%, despite recent fluctuations. The Netherlands and Japan's iShares ETF follow with healthy annual growth of approximately 29.89% and 24.08% respectively. In the technology sector, Apple led the pack with a closing price of $277.55, up 0.58, marking a new all-time high after closing up for 4 consecutive days amid strong upward volatility. Alphabet, despite maintaining a very strong positive trend, slipped 3.36 to 320.28, highlighting some upward volatility today. Amazon closed at 229.9, down 0.58, showing a mixed positive trend. Meta Platforms weakened to 633.61, a decrease of 2.61 amidst a mixed negative trend. In contrast, Nvidia rose 2.44 to 180.26 amidst mixed negative trends and showed a flat price movement for 3 days.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothee Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 90,208.20, gaining 2,883.19. Despite this rise, it's in a very strong negative trend. Ethereum is also on the up, priced at 3,027.16, up by 68.99. Yet it's still in a strong negative trend, with gains for 5 days straight. BNB sees a rise to 890.75, adding 28, reflecting a mixed negative trend. Solana is at 143.89, climbing 4.98, maintaining a very strong negative trend, but on the rise for 4 consecutive days. Finally, Dogecoin is up to 0.1555, increasing by 0.0025 with a lengthy strong negative trend, yet up for 5 days. In the realm of total and daily returns, Bitcoin is up 3.3% today, but experiencing a tough month with a total drop of 17.66%. Ethereum mirrors this trend, gaining today, yet facing a monthly decrease of 21.29%. Despite short-term gains, all these cryptos, including BNB, Solana, and Dogecoin, show significant negative trend over the month. Year to date, Dogecoin is notably down over 50%, marking a challenging period for the meme coin.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar currently shows varied performances against key currencies. Against the euro, it's down slightly at 0.8621. The British pound has seen a drop in the greenback at 0.7552, marking 6 consecutive days downward with noticeable volatility. Conversely, the Japanese yen has faced a rise to 156.4270, maintaining a very strong positive trend, while the Swiss franc sees a downward breakout to 0.8043 after 3 days of stability. Lastly, the Australian dollar pushes the greenback down for the 5th day to 1.5339 amid a mixed trend.
I'm Max Proffitt, along with our AI hosts, Timothee, Satoshi, and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. ColdBrew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.